Good day, everyone. This study, entitled Ecosystem Services, the Satisfaction of the Human Being and the Environment, pertains to the role of the ecosystem to meet the demands and satisfaction of the human being, as well as the practices of human being in conserving and preserving the ecosystem. Firstly, ecosystem services. According to MA, ecosystem services are the condition and processes through which natural ecosystems and the species that make them up sustain and fulfill human life. They maintain the biodiversity and the production of ecosystem goods. Simply put, the ecosystem services ensures to produce resources to sustain the lives of the human being. The ecosystem services contains four types, which are the provisioning services that maintain the supply of natural products, regulatory services which keep different elements of the natural world running smoothly, the cultural services which is the intangible benefits obtained from contact with the nature, and the supporting services which is also thought of as one maintaining the other services, more particularly the provisioning and regulatory services. The two main purposes of this study is to first know if the residents in Panabo City had contributed positively or negative effects in our ecosystem. Lastly, is to know whether the ecosystem satisfies the needs of the residents of Panabo City. These goals can determine the relationship of the human activities and the environment. In conducting the study, we conducted sampling, wherein we selected three random residents in Panabo City as our respondents in the gathering of data. One questionnaire with 20 questions per respondent that is answerable by the Likert scale. According to the given data, the satisfaction of the respondents to the environment in terms of meeting the basic need or demands is significantly low. This pertains to the decrease in the environmental maintaining activities of the human to maintain the ecosystem. The data shows a 9.15 population mean who answered always, thus showing the number of people still practicing activities beneficial to the environment, as well as having great satisfaction on the environmental resources. 6.95 mean answered often, 9.2 answered sometimes, and 4.75 answered never. The 9.2 population mean who opted for sometimes as the highest mean determines the number of persons having satisfaction and the benefits of the ecosystem services, as well as practicing healthy activities for the ecosystem, which is significantly lower. The conclusion that the number of people that is still satisfied with the environmental benefits of the ecosystem services have decreased. The healthy practices and activities done to preserve the ecosystem has not maintained or not maintained properly. Since the environment can reciprocate the effects of the negative or positive activities done by the human being to them, it is important to keep maintaining and preserving the ecosystem for it to continue supplying sufficiently the human needs, thus resulting to the better living of the human beings. Thank you for watching.